So Brian, it's summertime finally here in Cleveland, Ohio area, and warm weather, cruising. And then sometimes you get some really hot days, so you put up the windows and you turn on that air conditioner, and you get warm air out of the air conditioner. Brian, what's going on? What's going on with my air conditioner that I'm not getting that nice cool stuff?
We get a lot of those calls as soon as it heats up. So yeah, when you turn the air conditioning on and blows warm air, there's a problem with the system. A lot of times it's a refrigerant type problem. It's leaked down where it's low on refrigerant.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's electrical. But first thing to do is assess that the proper way, so we're not fixing things that don't need to be fixed.
Do you have a process you normally just take it through, a 1, 2, 3 checklist?
Yeah, oh, absolutely. Yeah,
Okay.
We've got a very distinct process so we can get to what the problem is quickly and efficiently. And we also have more equipment than any other independent shop in town, for sure.
Okay.
The newer refrigerant, we were the first ones that had the machine for that. Leak detection equipment, we've got some really good stuff for that, because again, fixing any area or any problem that doesn't need to be fixed, I shouldn't even say a problem. Fixing anything that doesn't need to be fixed is an absolute waste of money. So really a good assessment, good diagnosis is crucial to any repair, air conditioning included.
Well, and you know what? That's a great way. One way that'll really make you hot under the collar if you're spending money you shouldn't be spending. So,
Yes.
And that's not going to happen at Weber, because they take a good look at stuff and you know what you're doing and what needs fixing, and they'll get to it and get it right. So cool down, and cooler heads prevail. I've been waiting to use
there
that
you
all
go.
day.
Nice.
Take your car over to Weber Automotive, have them take a look at it, and have a really, really, really great summer.